le projet d'exposition Témoins de l'histoire, porteurs de mémoire est un projet qui a débuté il y a maintenant 1 an à l'occasion du 40e anniversaire du musée de l'Holocauste. Il nous est venu tout naturellement l'idée donc de faire une exposition qui mettrait en lumière la contribution exceptionnelle des survivants.
Who are really the keepers of memory, because by telling their own story, they are making sure that the memory of the Holocaust and the memory of their own personal stories will be kept.
L'exposition est le résultat d'une campagne photographique qui a été menée par Stéphanie Cousineau, accompagnée d'Esther Andor, auprès de survivants et de survivantes. 30 d'entre eux nous ont ouvert les portes de leur maison.
They are the ones who they act as voices of all those who were murdered or who perished because they cannot tell their own story. So they can tell the story of their family, they can tell the story of their communities, can amplify the voices of all those who are not there.
De chaque visite, ce sont des triptyques qui ont été produits. Ces triptyques photographiques mettent en lumière un portrait de notre témoin, une photographie d'un objet précieux, d'un objet de mémoire qu'il a choisi, et enfin une photographie de notre témoin dans l'une des pièces de sa maison.
And as we're going about taking their photos and the photos of their significant objects, we are also recording the story of those objects. That explains why these objects are so important to them. As we were doing this, we realized that these are really interesting stories and they added so much to our knowledge of the people and of their surrounding and of their history. So we decided to make the audio files that explain the significance of these objects and how they came to be here. How did the books come to be here?
Our apartment in Bratislava was saved by my nanny.
Les objets nous accompagnent tout au long de notre vie. Ce sont des objets qui racontent notre histoire, qui sont les témoins d'expériences vécues, parce que à travers toutes ces histoires, évidemment, il y a un message de résilience, de courage et d'espoir qu'il faut à tout prix partager. Et donc, je suis convaincue en fait que chaque visiteur saura être touché par un petit détail, une anecdote.
What I found the most moving part for myself is when I sat down with each survivor with an object or a photograph that meant so much to them, and that they would bring it across the world from Europe to Canada. And sometimes they even had to hide it throughout the Holocaust. And to listen to the stories of these objects, to listen to them show the kind of resilience in the face of everything that happened, in the face of losing their families, their homes, their livelihoods, their countries. They still managed to cling on to some photos, to some objects. They managed to put them through the Holocaust and managed to bring them here.
Je sais pas, il se passe quelque chose avec ces objets. Ces objets sont magiques en fait, il y a quelque chose qui se passe. Puis je crois qu'ils sont magiques non seulement pour les gens qui les regardent, mais aussi pour les personnes qui en racontent l'histoire, hein, pour les propriétaires. C'est assez incroyable. Évidemment, en lançant cette exposition aujourd'hui, on a une pensée particulière pour Paul Herzeg.
Who was a founding member of the museum, and he has played an enormous role in the museum and the development of its various programs. Thanks God that we have his photos, that we have his voice. This way, even though he is no longer with us, we can share his story.